On the initiative of Boxnagar Mandal, BJP officials conducted Swachh Bharat Abhiyan at various places of Boxnagar area on Sunday at 9 am on the occasion of Lord Rama will enter the temple on January 22nd. Responding the Prime Minister's call, Boxnagar Mandal BJP officials conducted Swachh Bharat Abhiyan at various places of Boxnagar area on Sunday. MLA Tafazul Hossain of Boxnagar Assembly Constituency, Chairman of State Committee Shah Alam, Chairman of Boxnagar Panchayat Samiti Sanjay Sarkar and Boxnagar Mandal President Subhash Chandra Saha were present in the Swachh Bharat Abhiyan. MLA Tafazul Hossain said while facing the reporters that BJP is conducting Swachh Bharat Abhiyan program in every religious place of the country and the state from today till next 22nd January on the occasion of the entering Lord Rama temple on 22nd January. As part of that, it has been done at the place in Boxnagar today.
स्वच्छ भारत अभियान ग्रामगंजे पहुंचे दें स्वच्छ भारत अभियान ग्रामगंजे पहुंचे दें भारत माता की भारत माता
Moreover, through the Prime Minister's Swachh Bharat Abhiyan, not only until January 22, but throughout the year, the BJP will promote Swachh Bharat Abhiyan through various festivals. Reporter by Musharraf from Sunamra, Chini, Khorang.